Tom Holland has 2 movies fighting over the same screens this week. AI gave this portrait one rule: stop going too dark, and at the end the same AI grades whether I followed it. Tom Holland has 2 movies fighting over the same screens this week. AI gave this portrait one rule: stop going too dark, and at the end the same AI grades whether I followed it. So this time the instruction wasn't add shadows, it was add less than you want to. Holland spent this month doing 2 things at once. He called Sony and asked them to move Spider-Man so he could go make a Greek tragedy. This is the second it stops being a young man and starts being him. The upper lip did most of it. I didn't expect that. Both films open now. Both of them are his, and one of them is standing in the other one's way. All of this came out of one tutorial. That's the whole method. It sets the rule, I try to hit it. Also try my color by number product if you are a beginner and want to learn drawing. I map a real face into numbered value zones. You color feature by feature, and you don't see who it is until it all comes together. Every hour I had went into the face. I kept telling myself I'd get to the suit. The Odyssey booked the big screens for 3 weeks. Spider-Man opens Friday and can't have them. He's competing with himself. You can see where the time ran out. The face is finished. The suit is a suggestion. I made the same choice he did. I just made it with a pencil. Same rule it gave me at the start. Here's the grade. 5 loops of the same note and it finally landed. It also noticed the suit. Next week, the AI wants sharper edges at the eyes and softer everywhere else, which I don't fully know how to do yet. If you want to try the loop on your own portrait, the custom color map is on my Gumroad. For beginners, try my color by number portrait set.